Okay, there we go.
Hello?
I'm assuming I exited the world.
Yeah, you did.
Well, that's not surprising. I saw the fact you miscalled me a bunch, but it didn't ring at all, which is weird. I don't know what is going on.
That's very odd. I was just
Hmm.
setting up some recording equipment so we could just record as racing. Thought it could be
Oh,
fun.
okay. Well, this is interesting. Well, have you recorded or started? Sorry.
Yeah, it started.
Oh, well, hello, people of the world. Um,
Hi.
I exist. I don't know if the audio quality is going to sound good.
It should do, because I'm recording my voice and your voice separately,
Oh, okay, cool.
and as well as the game sound separately as well, so everything's independent. I can sort it all out in post. Anyway,
Can I edit it because I'm superior?
if you want. Hi. Hi guys, so today we're doing Minecraft Parkour Pyramid, and basically we're just gonna have a race at the parkour, should be quite casual, and we're just gonna see who wins. It'll obviously be me, because I'm not on mobile, but
Yeah,
we'll
pretty
see.
much. Okay, well that's gonna
Anyway,
be
are you ready
interesting.
to start? Charlie Cringe, my beloved co-editor and fellow person who uploads videos on YouTube with very few views.
How dare you? How dare you?
Okay, let's go at the same time. Should we run up from here?
I guess so.
Okay,
Are you counting down or should I?
you count down.
Okay, well, wait. Do I need to do like a sync test because you're recording it
Oh, speaking
separately?
of sync test. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, my audio should be synced now. Anyway.
Oh, I don't know about me. Well, stare at me and I'll try syncing it up. Down, up, down, up, down.
Okay, whatever. Let's just go. On
Oh,
three.
that's just okay. All right.
You count.
Oh, okay. One, two, three.
Okay, well, whatever. You were slightly ahead. Parkour Pyramid. Fantastic,
This is
beautiful
not gonna
map.
go well.
We've
I'm
totally
gonna
not played
lose.
about. We've played most of the first level of
Oh, I
this.
fell in the water early. Well, good
Okay.
start. Good start. I can't get up the ladder. Oh, okay.
Should I hold back when you get really stupidly far behind? Or should I just keep going and be
If
horrible?
you get like two levels ahead, then yeah, I guess okay. I fell all the way down, but
Oh wait,
this
I've
is
just
going well.
realised it. I've got it on level on the side rather than our time. Never mind.
Huh. Well, I guess. Well, we can either race or we can just like wait for each other on like the end of the level because my game is lagging already, so that's fun.
Just do me a favour and don't complain constantly.
I'll try. How long are you going to record for? Because I don't want like a year's worth of footage. Oh my
Don't
god,
know.
I hate
Maybe we should
this.
just try and
This
do the
is
whole
fun.
thing.
I'm good. I'm good. I'll pass. I'll pass on that. Oh, great. I fell all the way down again. This is going superb.
It can be a three-parter. First level today.
Second level in like
5 years,
a
yeah.
while. Yeah. Can we not race? Because this is going to be so boring on my end, just being constantly alone.
Well, maybe.
Even though you're like
Maybe
already two levels ahead.
maybe we should
I'm
just.
still on the first level.
Apparently, I
I
just
don't
discovered a
like.
secret.
What? I don't
I
know.
don't know what the
Oh,
secret
yay, I
was.
fell off again. This is gonna go so well. I can tell I'm gonna win, like, by the amount of progress. Oh, yeah, I fell all the way down.
We could
Oh, this is.
discuss things like society and our lives.
That's gonna just.
More like a
Ah,
podcast.
podcast. Yes. Alright,
Whoops.
let's do a podcast, guys. No
Just broke my
racing, just a
legs.
podcast.
Yeah, it's like a podcast with racing in the background, you know?
Oh, okay. One of
What do you
them.
want to. What should we talk about?
Society. I don't know. have no clue. Wow, guys, I bet the first level, aren't I good at this great thing?
No, you're terrible actually. So
I
remind me of
really
how I'm
am.
doing with this part.
I don't know how far ahead you are. You're probably like 2 levels ahead.
It says on the side that I am 2 levels ahead.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great. Good start on my end. Oh, you're there. I see your name tag below me. Can you not win?
No.
Oh, well,
You
that's
want to
great.
discuss politics?
Sure.
So,
Politics are pretty neat.
where do
Anyway,
you
moving on.
stand?
Right, next thing. What should we talk about now?
Um, our gaming history?
Um, you go first if it's a thing like that.
Okay, well, my first video game was probably... I don't know. I've no clue.
Oh,
Could have
poo
been,
poo, I fell off.
SpongeBob. Creatures of the Krusty Krab.
Huh.
This portal effect looks so fucking good. Um,
You're there already? Oh my Cuba.
yeah. Guess it's not as far on as we remember it being.
Yeah, we're probably just bad at the time.
Yeah, we
I'm
must
doing
have...
better, I feel. I don't know if that's just because I had a teeny bit of practice, but I'm doing
Could be.
okay.
Do you have any controllers anywhere in your house?
I do, but they don't seem to want to connect.
If you plug them in?
Even if I plug them in.
Alright. It'd be good if they did work, but if they don't, then they don't.
I don't know if I would be any better if I had them connected, but I guess I would be able to find out if they would work, but I can't because they don't work, so that's fun and all. Heading up the spiral staircase in the nether. That's great.
I can just
Even
about
though
see your gamer tag. Very, deep down.
I just saw you, like, well, not you, but like your name tag as well. Can you like not be as good as you are right now? Oh my god, I'm so
Uh,
awful.
I've got to be fantastic. Oh shit.
You gotta be what?
I've got to be fantastic, I was saying.
Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me.
Fuck's sake. Had a dip in some lava.
Oh crap.
Not a deadly dip though. You missed. What does that mean?
I didn't miss. I jumped, but like missed the gap. Oh my god. I can't get on this block I want. What is wrong with me?
I'm gonna play this part safe rather than quick. Oh no, I tried to play it quick anyway. That's
You
what I
lied
get.
to yourself.
Yeah.
How dare you lie to yourself? That's against the law or something.
So, if you ever, get a lot of subscribers on YouTube, what are you gonna do with your fame and clout and influence?
Not likely anything. I'll probably just remain the same, an ordinary human.
I guess that's good.
Something like that. Okay, right. I'm making. Okay.
Oh wait, I need to go
I
back
know.
down and close that door behind me because I'm not happy leaving doors open.
You're weird like that, aren't you?
It should be against the law to leave to leave a door open, in my opinion.
Fair enough, fair enough. I mean, I guess you do you. You left the door open back here.
Fuck. Sorry, bro.
You need to come back.
Come all the
You
way.
have to. Yeah.
Nah, you're pranking me. You're pranking
No,
me.
you left the door open.
Then you should close it. You should have those
I'm not
manners.
closing it. You can close it. You left it open. I'm not taking responsibility.
You bastard. You idiot.
Shall I leave this uncensored?
I really don't care if it's censored or not. Actually, yeah, leave it uncensored.
For you, I'll leave it uncensored. For me, if I upload it or can upload it, then I guess I'll censor it. Because I tried to exclude. Oh my god!
I'm going down the tube, ladies and gentlemen.
How far? Oh my god! You're 4 levels ahead.
I'm
I shut
going
the door for you.
through the water tube. I'm going up the
Slow
water
down a
tube.
bit. Slow
Ladies
down a
and
bit.
gentlemen, I'm going up the tube. I'm like the fish in the fish tube. I'm on the ice part. Your favourite part.
Oh my god! Why? That's unfair. Only I can have fun on the ice part.
Hey, come on, mate. You'll get your
Oh
chance.
god, that scared me. Oh my.
I think I need to crouch when I land on that jump. No, that didn't work. Oh, you're at the TNT minecart part.
Mm-hmm. Indeed. This part's one of the easier parts, I think.
Yeah, I
Even though
think
it's
I
got the
agree.
especially the fence bit because you sort of land on it straight. Oh my god. I love when my character doesn't sprint.
It must really suck to play on mobile.
Yeah. Just a tad. Okay, I'm now in the gold section.
Nothing in the chests.
Eh. Eh. Okay.
Which gold section? The
Oh,
underwater gold
are
section.
you joking me? Oh my god. Now I have to go all the way back from the beginning. Thanks a bunch. I'm blaming my phone for that.
I wonder if I can find any secrets. That would be good.
Look, please.
If there's a deep body of water, they're usually a good place to hide secrets.
Oh my gosh, it's awful. I hate this so much. I hate the
Whoa!
fact you can get ahead all the time. It's so boring being the one behind.
Yeah, stop trying to guilt trip me.
And it is! It's so boring. I'm just all the way back here and you're like 50 blocks ahead at least.
Maybe I'll
I'm
wait.
making some decent progress, but
Or
like I'm not.
maybe... I can't remember how to do this part.
I
Oh
thought I
yeah,
failed
there we
that
go.
jump and I was gonna cry. Oh, it's this stupid water section. Oh, this is awful.
Oh, you're on the water section. I can see your game attack.
Eh.
D.
Oh,
You're
I
not
made it first try as well.
stupidly. You're not stupidly far behind.
Well, I'm far enough behind that I'm uncomfortable with how far behind I is.
Is. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm a bit uncomfortable with how far behind I is, aren't I?
Shut up. Don't
We're
bully me.
definitely going faster than when we did this on our own,
Yeah.
without the lovely boys and girls
I
watching us.
section, let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Let's
Oh
go.
no, no, shit!
Oh, I'm
Fuck.
guessing you fell.
That's
Oh, I catched up one level.
caught. You caught at one level. You did not
Shut up.
catch up.
Don't you dare correct me. I am superior. I
Dumb
will
idiot.
sue you. I will sue you. I will
That's
no
not
longer
true. You're not
become.
even an American.
Well, I don't care.
What you say?
Am I going in the right direction? Yeah, I am. I'm being dumb. Big brains at the moment.
What? Are you somewhere where you've been before, or are you somewhere where you haven't been before?
The
That's a
second one.
good way to
Are
work it
you
out.
joking me? I fell all the way back yet again. That's okay, I'm not mad. I like this section.
Oh, this
This
section took
section's
me
fun.
quite a while last time, I think.
Okay, please take really long so I can catch up a teeny bit.
Oh, shit.
Even if that's like 10 blocks. That's better than leaving me so far behind that I suffer.
Whoa.
I fell down again. Yay. I love falling. The song that's playing for me right now is one of my favourites. I don't know if it's playing the same one.
There's one which gets me all nostalgic and emotional. I don't know
I
what it's
think I know
called
what
though.
one that is. I think I know what it's called, or what one you're on about. Oh my god, I hate when my jump button just hates me.
It just sort of like gets kind of intense, but it's also very calm at the same time. It's quite odd.
Mm. Okay, you're 3 levels ahead. Yay. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm on a very
Come
long
on,
level as
me.
well.
I'm on, just
Where do I go from here? Here.
Come on, let me win this section. There we go, I got there. Now let me get up here. Go around into the house, not shut the door behind me to annoy him.
Grrr.
Angry noises much. Oh, I see your name tag. That's crazy.
Wait a minute. I might be able to see you from where I am.
Oh, why does this? I'm annoyed now.
I've stopped to tuck my shirt.
You've touched it. What? That's the most stupidest reason to stop. But thanks. I will take that as a kind gesture.
Well, I usually have my shirt tucked in, but
You're a very unusual chap, then.
I don't know. I just always have it tucked in, you know.
I guess so. I mean, fair enough. I'm not judging. I'm
It's the
actually
way.
quite happy
It's the way
because
I
it means I get
roll.
to catch up.
No, I'm back. I'm back on the road
No!
now.
Oh, I just lost like 30 blocks of progress.
That's so sad. I feel sorry
It is.
for you.
You should. Oh my gosh, you're still 3 levels ahead. That's kind of good. Because it means that you're not making the hugest amounts of progress. I might be wrong, and the level you're on is extremely long. But let's
Yeah,
hope.
it is a very long level, and I just
Oh, great.
passed it.
Well, is it that castle one?
No, it's the one with the coloured flats.
Oh, that one. That one I actually found out a trick, so I could win. Could is a
You're
very
not gonna win. I'm
like
too
well
quick.
that section. Well, yeah. Oh, for okay, good. I don't lose much progress. I was about to say I'm annoyed now, but I'm not. I swear to God, if I fail this jump again. Oh wait, I didn't fail that one. It was the next one coming up. Somehow I failed it, even though I could jump down here because I have common sense. Oh, okay. I just jumped down and lost progress. So never mind.
I wasted loads of time on this level last time because I kept on jumping into the water to see what would happen, and it kept on sending me back, even if it was
Oh
just like a little puzzle next to the main stage.
no, didn't lose any progress, but that's still annoying. Come on, let me win.
Whoa.
When the footage has got to like an hour, I reckon you need to stop because if it's an hour long, I'm usually going to get bored of the level.
I don't know how long we've been going there.
I reckon it's been like 20 minutes or so. Yes,
Possibly,
this
yeah.
song is so good. I love this song so much. My favorite one. Oh my god, get out there. Okay, I'm not mad. I didn't lose massive amounts of progress. I lost some, but that's okay. You gain and you lose, and I've lost again. Or have I? I probably have. Yeah, I have.
Feels
Oh,
bad.
it is bad. I'm not bad at parkour. I will definitely defend myself and say
You'd
I'm
be
good at it.
better at it if you were on PC, that's for sure.
Yeah. If I'm good at it on mobile, I think I will be good at it on PC. Don't fail this jump, thank you. This jump, I think, got me last time. Oh, don't fail. Don't fail, thank you. Oh, lag. I love
Oh,
lag.
I just
Lag
got
is
a
fun.
notification. I'm gonna stop and look at what it was.
Great. Thanks for...
Twitter. Mentioned by
Thanks.
what? Imperial Archive. It was just someone calling me a pedophile on Twitter. What do I say to
Oh,
that?
say thanks. That means the world to me. I will forever love my existence. Um, peace be with you.
I've said these allegations are false. Don't cancel me.
How dare you ignore what I said?
I didn't ignore it. I just didn't value it at any level.
That's me.
Yeah, it is a bit.
Thanks for being mean, you bully.
Maybe I
I'm
should
on the
think of
colourful
another
building level,
tweet.
and I'm making tons of progress quick.
Oh shit. What do you think of this idea for a tweet? Okay, it goes like this. Me gets called a loser. Also me says no you and does take the L emote.
No. Just no. I'm gonna say no. A solid old no. Oh yeah, I have to jump in the lava. Fun! Don't you dare. Oh, for God's sake, this level is so boring. It's one of my one of the levels I find the easiest, but I hate it at the same time.
It's quite dull, isn't it?
Yeah.
Although you get to have a yeah, you know the bit with the orange fences when you're underground.
Oh no.
You'll see it in a minute. That's where I
I
took
don't
my
remember
shirt in.
that. Ah, fun. Okay, good. I made that jump. Did I make that? Yes, I did. Did I make this one?
Oh, I'm at the part where last time I gave you a fat uh, 5 minutes to get
Five
ahead of
minutes.
me.
My legs start shaking. That's concerning. Make it. Oh my God! I hate
I
that
think you're
jump.
getting a bit too into this, mate.
Is there a secret over here? Probably not. Yay! I waste time. Oh, can you stop? You're like, how many levels is that ahead?
Why does it say I fell like a rock? I just killed myself in a cactus.
That doesn't make sense.
I killed myself in a cactus and it said I fell like a rock.
Logic 132.
That's pretty decent. Especially
Uh,
since it's impossible.
this is so annoying. I hate being behind. Hurry up, let me win.
God, learn to lose. Come on.
Learn to lose. I'm pretty sure that's all I do with my life on this game. So,
That made me sad.
oh, feel sad.
Oh.
Come on, let me win or get some progression.
Did you
Jump.
know that in other languages, rather than saying I am sad, they would say I have the sad, which makes more sense if you think about it.
I am questioning your existence, but that's fine. Oh, this bit, I like this bit because you don't even need to sprint. Ow.
Okay, I think I should probably address how much Minecraft content I've been shitting out recently.
Oh,
Okay,
this
so
bit. I know where you were meaning earlier. I'm on the
so
fence bit.
oh good.
Uh, uh, uh.
I just got
Oh, that's
another
scary.
notification, so
No, 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 no. Oh,
I wonder what this notification was.
I died. I died. I died. I died. I died. I died. Guess what? I died. Huh.
Oh,
Boink. I might not be able to record my second Terraria video because this video is probably going to be like an hour long, which is going to take up a bit of storage, just a tad though, just a tad, especially with a phone which barely has 7 gigs on
only 7.
it. Yeah, 7, unfortunately. Hence why my videos are usually quite short. Are you stopped? Because that would mean...
I've stopped to look at a Reddit post, but it won't load. Never
Oh,
mind.
we'll
I guess
stare
I'll
at it.
just keep on going.
We'll stare at it more.
Whoa,
Because...
almost just went off.
Oh my god, this game is so mean to me. I hate... It's so mean. I hate this section. It's so much work to get back. And if I fail,
Are
I
you
have
still
to
on
do
the
it.
house section?
Yeah,
It's
the
a
lava
long
section.
section.
I failed at the last jump somehow, even though it's like 3 blocks.
There are simple jumps, and there are difficult jumps. And the ones at that lava part are pretty simple, I seem to remember.
Yeah, which is annoying because it means I failed at an easy jump. I failed at 2 block jumps when we were racing the other day because my
Goober.
phone just doesn't like me. I remember that slime block when I was ahead of you for once. I got to the very end and the last slime block jump, I couldn't. Oh my god. The last slime jump ended up knocking me off.
Sucks to be you.
You're 20 level. Oh my.
21.
Shut up. Don't make me feel worse.
Can we put that meme on when I say 21? Here, the 21? What's 9 plus 10? 21?
What, you want me to do it every single time someone or just you says 21?
No. But definitely include me asking for you to add that meme.
I
Otherwise
will
it won't
include you
seem
saying this
like
as
it was
well then.
satire.
I'll include this as well then.
Also, do you want me to send all of the audio files separately? Or so that you've got complete creative freedom, or do you want me to apply them to the video and then send you it?
I guess... Oh, that's a tricky one because it might be easier if you put them all together for me, but it has to be sunk up, and if it's not sunk up, then I don't really know what to do about that.
Oh yeah, I can sync them up.
I guess then you sync it up. Please let me finish this level. This level's boring. I don't like lava. I like ice. Ice is fun. Oh my god. Let me win. Let
22.
me win. Can you just stop for 10 years? Like, let me get... Can I just skip this stupid level? Because I swear to God, every single time I get close to the end, it just kills me.
No.
You're bully.
That would be cheating. I don't know where to go.
I don't care. It's so
Cheating is not
boring doing the
allowed.
same. Well, it is, if I allow it.
No, but I'm the one who decides what's allowed and what's not allowed. Oh, I know where I'm meant to go. I'm an idiot.
No, remain an idiot, please.
Well, I'm still an idiot. I just had a brief moment. Yeah, you know, while I'm recording, I have to suffer with this sort of like whirring noise in the background all the time.
Oh, yeah.
It's because I've.
Oh my god, what the hell? I made that and it said I didn't.
It's because of the way I've got it connected up.
I want to skip this level. This level is pissing me off. If it makes me swear, then it is definitely pissing me off. And it's making me swear. Oh no, I'm swearing, guys. I hate this level so much, it's so boring. Especially when you have to play it 30 times.
Um.
The slime bit is fun, but as soon as you stop doing the slime bit, it's boring because you keep on dying. Oh my god, yeah, I give up. Let me, I don't care. Let me skip
Okay,
this stupid.
Fine.
This level
Fine.
is annoying me.
I'll TP you to me.
No, that's way too much progress. Well, yeah, I would prefer it in a way because then I get to be like next to you. But still,
Exactly, exactly.
lava. No, that's not lava. Lightning. And again, Zeus struck me. Okay, so it's creative or TP or one of the two.
Yeah, I'll just activate cheats.
Just leave cheats on, and if I ever get so annoyed, then I can just TP and then you won't need to stop. Or I can just skip the level I'm currently on. Whoa, guys, I made it here.
Wow.
Look how
Yeah.
much progress. Oh my.
How did you progress so far so quickly?
Oh, editors, editors are super smart.
Fuck.
Lol, you failed. Haha. Ha ha ha, that's funny. Ha ha ha, comedy. Ha ha ha.
Comedy has taken place, guys.
Yeah, I didn't make that noise. Shut up. Oh, okay. Ha ha, I fell, guys. Ha ha, comedy. And now you're ahead of me again, and now I have to suffer more.
You know what? Maybe I should. Oh, fuck's sake. Maybe I should come up
What
with
the
a
heck? I didn't.
name.
What? Is there a block above you? No. Oh, well, that's weird. What were you saying?
Maybe I should come up with a name for my audience.
The archers.
That's awful. I was
Well,
thinking the paedophiles.
that's so much awfuler, rough.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Oh my god, there's a tiny smidge of a block there. Okay. Of course, there's a block there. Oh my god, that block is the most annoyingly placed block in that game. Did you know? I'm pissed off.
Nope.
More you know.
3 diamonds. Oh, this is the one where you got fucked over last time.
Yeah, it annoyed me. I'm making some progress. I'm probably going to speak too soon, and I'm going to regret life choices, but that's fine. Whoa, okay, that was terrifying. Oh, great, the slime block didn't work. What the hell was that?
That
What
was
did
me
you
being
do?
consumed. I was consumed by the pyramid.
Oh, well, that's not distracting at all. Oh, for God's sake, this jump is annoying. Fence jumps are like irritating because you have basically no room to sprint if you're on mobile.
I'm a bit stuck for where I'm meant to go. Oh, here we go.
There we go. Huh. Oh my God, this game is mean. I hate the fact that you just have to go all the way back from down here, and if you fail at the very beginning, it just becomes super tedious.
It's quite a difficult but small level, that one.
Yeah, I think it's one of the
You know
shortest ones.
that pure parkour map that I downloaded that one time? It had some decent parkour, but it was just really boring because it was pretty much the same scenery the whole time. But this map, you're constantly changing scenery, which makes it feel quite interesting and fun.
Yeah.
I'm on that trippy level that you didn't like at all.
Oh, great. Yes, again, you're 2 levels ahead, and I'm still failing on this
No.
stupid jump. I hate fence jumps. They're so irritating. Especially when it's literally a 2 block jump, and I can't make it because of the fence. Thank you. I finally passed
Oh,
that one jump, and I fall off immediately after. Oh, yay. And now I fell on the water because water is hydrating or something. How long have you been recording?
I don't know. Should I go and check?
I guess so. It'll be useful.
I'm fairly sure we're near the end of this section. If I'll, if you want.
Section? What do you mean by section? Do you mean like in terms of like for a part?
We've been going for 36 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well, we can go for another few, I guess.
You said an hour.
I know, but like it would be easier for me if it was half an hour, because most of my videos are just half an hour long. So,
How about we get to the end of this lowest level of the pyramid, and then we...
where do you go from here? Oh, the stupid jump where you... Okay, wow, the slime block actually worked. Oh, it's this level. Okay. Ah! Oh. Why did I freak out so much? It was like a 2-block jump.
I don't know, man.
What do I?
Maybe you're just mad.
I am.
Outrun the
I'm mad, bro.
minecart. I've actually gotten to... I've just passed to where we got to last time. And I've reached this name tag that says outrun the minecart. Run. Oh, so you've actually got to be quick at the start. Bloody hell. Oh no.
Oh god, I see a jump and I'm not a
I
big
don't know
fan
where
of
the
it.
minecart is.
Okay, good. That jump is difficult, but it is more.
Oh no! I think I'm not
It's
ahead
more.
of the minecart anymore. Surely. Oh no, I'm still ahead of the minecart.
Ah, no! I fell off the stupid.
Oh.
Whatever the thing's called. I'm not mad. Oh, you're all the way down there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm at a bit of a high intensity section.
Oh my god. There was a
Um,
single block hole, and I managed to completely miss it, and it made me fall off and lose a bunch of progress.
this minecart is very slow. Oh, it's not slow. It's here.
Oh my god, this jump is irritating as well.
Oh,
All of the jumps are irritating. I just failed
no.
again.
Oh my god. I just lost the race against the minecart by literally less than a second.
Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'll stop because that's going to make my life difficult in editing because I know I'm going to do subtitles and I'm going to continue doing the subtitles on this point because I like making life difficult for myself, but it's probably going to turn out to be good in the results. So there you go, future me. Have fun with
Subtitles.
these subtitles.
Subtitles can suck my juices.
Oh.
Oh! Minecart nearly just hit me in the legs.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm so shit. How do I keep on getting
Remain
through
like
by
that.
this one section? It's such a scam
Alright,
section.
finally I made it up. Am I gonna fail on that stupid hole? Don't fail this jump.
Right,
Okay,
I need to
thank
speed it
you.
up.
Oh great, I'm on this section which is laggy as hell.
No! Oh no. God damn it.
Oh god, this is lagging a ton. Oh my gosh. Where'd you go? Ah!
What you gotta do, what you gotta do, what you gotta do when the minecart's running for you. What you gotta do, what you gotta do,
Oh
what you
my
gotta do
god,
when the
no!
minecart's after you.
Can I? Oh, that is
Oh
so
my
unfair.
god, how do I keep on failing at that part? I know it's there, but I just keep on forgetting it's there.
You know the squiggly line, dude? I made it in first try, yeah, the final jump screwed me over.
What squiggly
That's
line,
an...
dude? Oh, that thing.
Yeah. I did it, first try.
Oh. Yeah, I'm having a bit of that. I did this thing first try and now I'm stuck on
Oh,
it.
great, now I'm dead again. This is gonna just gradually get more and more laggier because there's more and more snakes going. I like this section, it's really creative, but
There's
still.
also a minecart on the move where I am.
Oh, fun. I hope you fail a lot on that bit, and I hope I do it somehow first try.
Nah, I'm gonna do it this time. And you are
sure?
not gonna do this part first try, I can assure you.
Wait, you don't know?
I don't know, but I can make
Imagine.
a estimate guess. I can make an accurate guess.
What the hell? Okay, yes, I love when my character moves forward for me. Ah, no! Ah! Okay. If I complete this section...
Okay, I just finished the minecart section.
Okay, well, you wait there, and I'll
I wonder
just...
how quick I was.
I'll finish
Okay, I was
this
very
level
quick.
and the next one, and then we'll end off the video, because it just will make my life easier, and it means the videos will be able to come out a lot faster. I haven't, oh my god. I haven't, finished editing that, horror map thing, Minecraft horror map thing, because I've been working on one of my videos, but
That's fine.
how am I failing that jump? I'm making that,
Oh, I'm
but
still on the
every single
first...
time it's saying no.
We're still on the bottom level, I've just realised. Even though I've done that minecart part, I thought that would be the last part of this level.
No, 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 no. Oh my god, I didn't fall off yet. It registered me as falling off.
Scammed.
Am I going to make this jump?
Whoa.
Come on.
There's got to be a secret in this waterfall somewhere.
What the
Okay,
hell?
never
No,
mind.
that's unfair. I was standing right on the green block, and it just teleported me back. That's unfair.
Excuse me.
I'm doing it one last try, and if it does that again, then I'm just going to skip that part.
Okay. Goober.
Oh, for God's sake, that's stupid.
I just want to finish this level of the parkour map, and then I'm happy to end there.
Oh, no.
I can TP
for
you now if
God's
you want,
sake.
because I think this is the last part on this level.
I want to do the levels, though. These levels, every single time I just gradually get more and more frustrated. Oh my god.
You need to chill.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, for God's sake, yes. Thanks, lag. Yeah, teleport. Well,
I can see
no,
the spawn island.
don't teleport me. Teleport me. Well, no, not. Put me in creative so I can get past this level, because I want to do the
Okay.
rest of the levels from here.
Don't know how to change your player permissions. Friend, mute block. Why can't I change your permissions from here? I can't change your permissions. I'll just TP you to me.
Oh, that's annoying. Okay, what is this?
It's a big level. You can go back to the start of it if you want, but it is you, so you'll probably fall off before the end of it anyway.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, speaking of...
I don't even know if I'm going in the right direction.
I have survived.
Okay, well, I don't know where to go from here. This is fun. Oh, there. I think. Yeah, this is boring. I'm getting bored. Let's end off the video, and then tomorrow,
Good
whenever I
timing, because
film...
I just got to the end. I just got to the end of that section. So we're on the second.
We'll go back, like, a few levels, because... Well, not me. Not you, I mean. I'll go back a few levels in the second part, because...
Well,
like,
why don't you just do it now off camera? Because I don't want you to just complain about being behind all of the second part as well.
I don't know.
Or just do it before we start recording next time.
Okay. Alright,
Okay.
finish what you're doing and we'll
Oh
just
yeah,
do the
I have finished
outro.
what I'm doing.
Okay, do you want to like teleport back to the beginning? Not be
Why?
at the beginning, but like the spawn, and then we can do outro next to each other, unless if you don't care.
I'll just teleport you to me.
Again.
Yeah. Wow, Charlie Cringe made it to the end of the section and he is with me. He did that so completely legitimately, like I did. And so, sorry, I just lost my train of thought there.
This is
Bye.
a great outro. Okay, bye guys, we're going. Okay, that would do, or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, that was fun.